Welcome to Compare to Win. The best kids' dinnerware is probably one of the most essential purchases for parents navigating the exciting, and sometimes messy, world of feeding their little ones, offering a practical and safe solution for meal times that can transform a potentially chaotic experience into a more enjoyable and manageable one for both children and caregivers alike. Number 5. Munchkin Splash Toddler Divided Plate and Bowl Set. Introducing the Munchkin Splash Toddler Divided Plate and Bowl Set. Designed to make mealtime less messy and more enjoyable for your little one. This set comes with 2 divided plates and 2 bowls. Each piece features a no-slip bottom to keep them securely in place during meals. The modern, bright design includes deep walls that make scooping food a breeze. This helps your toddler learn to feed themselves with confidence. When mealtime is over, these plates and bowls nest together neatly. This makes storage simple and saves space in your kitchen. Crafted from BPA-free materials, this set is safe for babies 6 months and older. It's built to withstand the rigors of toddler mealtimes. Available in 2 cheerful color combinations, this set adds a touch of fun to your child's dining experience. What we like. This set is designed for easy scooping with deep walls, making it ideal for toddlers learning to self-feed. The no-slip bottom prevents spills, and they nest together for convenient storage. If you're looking for a practical and tidy solution for your little one's meal times, this is a great choice. What people say. The plates have a good suction base that keeps them from sliding around. The bowls are deep enough to hold a good amount of food without spilling. The set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. Number 4. Silikong Toddler Suction Plate. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this plate is free from BPA, PVC, phthalates, and lead. It's designed with your baby's safety as our top priority. Enjoy effortless cleaning as it's dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. It's also resistant to odors and stains, making it a practical choice for busy parents. The powerful suction base securely attaches to any smooth surface, preventing spills and messes. This feature is perfect for encouraging self-feeding during baby-led weaning. Designed for convenience, it allows your little one to practice eating independently without the worry of dropped plates or scattered food. Enjoy stress-free mealtimes. We are confident you'll love this product, made with high-quality silicone and a user-friendly design. We offer a 30-day satisfaction warranty for a risk-free purchase. What we like. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this plate offers exceptional safety and durability. Its powerful suction base keeps it firmly in place, preventing messes during self-feeding practice. If you are a parent prioritizing mess-free mealtimes and are looking for a product that aids in baby-led weaning, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The plates have a suction cup that keeps them from sliding around. The bowls are deep enough to hold a good amount of food. The set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. Number 3. Homienly Wheat Straw Dinnerware Sets 20 PCS. Experience a healthier way to dine with our dinnerware sets, crafted from premium, non-toxic wheat straw. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your family is safe from harmful substances. This set includes 20 essential pieces for 4 people, featuring plates, cups, and bowls in 4 beautiful colors: beige, pink, green, and blue. They offer a modern style with smooth, rounded edges. Say goodbye to broken dishes. Our dinnerware is made from a strong, unbreakable wheat straw material, making it far more durable than traditional ceramic or glass. Convenience is key. These lightweight yet heat-resistant pieces are safe for microwave use up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit and can be easily cleaned in the dishwasher. From daily meals to picnics, camping trips, and parties, this versatile set is ideal for any situation. They are suitable for serving a wide variety of foods and drinks, indoors or out. Looking for a practical and stylish gift? These wheat straw dinnerware sets make a wonderful present for anyone. We are committed to your satisfaction and offer excellent customer support. What we like. Made from durable wheat straw, this set is virtually unbreakable and eco-friendly. It includes plates, bowls, cups, forks, and spoons, making it a comprehensive dining solution for families. If you need a versatile and long-lasting dinnerware set for everyday use, picnics, or camping, this 20-piece collection is an excellent option. What people say. The plates have a good suction base that keeps them from sliding around. The bowls are deep enough to hold a good amount of food without spilling. The set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. Number 2. Zach Design's Disney Frozen Kids Dinnerware Set. Bring the magic of Disney's Frozen to your child's mealtime. This fun set features beloved characters, making every bite an adventure. Designed with your child in mind, this set includes a plate, bowl, tumbler, and utensils that are perfectly sized for little hands. It's ideal for children aged 3 and up. Crafted from durable, BPA-free melamine and stainless steel, this set is built to last. It's also top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With vibrant character artwork, this set makes mealtime exciting and encourages picky eaters to finish their food. It's a delightful way to make eating fun. Looking for the perfect gift? This Frozen-themed tableware set is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays, sure to delight any young fan. This comprehensive set includes a divided plate, a bowl, a tumbler, and a fork and spoon set. Everything your child needs for a fun and complete meal. What we like? Featuring beloved Disney Frozen characters, this set makes mealtime exciting for young fans. It's made from durable melamine and includes a plate, bowl, tumbler, and utensils, all perfectly sized for little hands. If your child is a fan of Elsa and Anna and you want to make eating more engaging, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The plates have a good suction base that keeps them from sliding around. The bowls are deep enough to hold a good amount of food and prevent spills. The set is made of durable, BPA-free material that is safe for children. Number 1. Funwares Engaging Kids Dinnerware Set. Introducing a clever and cute meal set designed for toddlers and preschoolers. It makes mealtime an engaging experience for your little ones. Does your child struggle with mealtime? This set features a divided plate that keeps food separate, making it ideal for picky eaters and helping them learn to use utensils. Crafted from colorful, shatterproof, and break-resistant polypropylene, this plate is built to last. The child-sized fork and spoon even have fun shapes on the handles. Encourage good eating habits with divided plates that help with portion control. Each section allows for a balanced meal with different food groups. Your child's safety is our priority. This dinnerware set is made from 100% food-safe and BPA-free materials, meeting and exceeding all safety standards. Cleanup is a breeze. This durable set is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after every meal. What we like? This set is specifically designed to help picky eaters by keeping food separate on a divided plate. The colorful art and child-sized utensils encourage independent eating and good habits. If you have a child who prefers their food not to touch or you want to encourage portion control and utensil use, this is an ideal mealtime companion. What people say. The plates have a good suction base that keeps them from sliding around. The bowls are deep enough to hold a good amount of food and also have a strong suction base. The set is made of durable, BPA-free silicone that is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.